Hi, it's Dr. Leslie Masters again. Today we're going to talk about GI health. I joke that this is the ugly stepchild with regard to the wellness revolution. Nobody wants to talk about gut health, but the truth of the matter is GI health is of monumental importance, and until we have a healthy GI tract and can absorb nutrients and energy and those sort of things that we put in our body, I can't fix anything else. And it's common sense. It's difficult to address detox issues if I can't give you something to do that. And if I give it to you and you don't absorb it, then there's no fixing. So fixing the gut is of paramount importance. A couple of my did you know questions that have to do with the GI tract. Did you know that 80% of your serotonin is made in the gut? 90% of people with GI symptoms or irritable bowel syndrome are depressed. We give them a medicine to trick the brain into thinking they've got more serotonin, when the truth is, if I fix the gut, they'll make their own. And that's what's hugely important about the gut. That's what wellness is all about, or what functional medicine is all about. Go to the root cause of what's going on. If I'm depressed because I don't have enough serotonin, I don't need a prescription to trick my brain into making more, or thinking it's got more serotonin. What I truthfully need is someone to help fix my gut, repair the lining of my GI tract so it's functioning optimally. And when it's functioning optimally, then I'll make my own serotonin. Another did you know? Did you know that 80 to 90% of your immune system in the gut? A big health issue we see a lot of now is the rise in autoimmune disease, the rise in food allergies, things like that. Well, what that is an unhealthy gut with a revved up immune system. That revved up immune system is inflammation. And when my inflammation is raging, I'm making antibodies to things foreign and domestic, so to speak, meaning to outside dangerous things. I'll make antibodies like bacteria that don't belong there, but I also make antibodies to myself. So a revved up immune system starts with the gut. A lot of people, one thing I like to tell people that I like people to think about is, what is aging? A lot of people do anti-aging medicine as the name of their wellness program, but the truth is, what is aging? Aging is a chronic, progressive inflammatory disease. We now know that heart disease is due to inflammation in the walls of the vessels. Leaky gut, or intestinal hyperpermeability, is inflammation in the walls of the GI tract lining. So if I can control the inflammation as I get older in years, my aging will decrease. When you think about the GI tract, one thing I want you to keep in mind is just the huge job that we give these cells in the GI tract. This is the only place in the body where we put things in from the outside world and expect our cells to sift through that and find, this is a nutrient, hang on to it, this is a toxin, get rid of it, this is me, this is not me, that sort of thing. It sifts through, decides what's good, what's bad, what do I let in and what do I excrete. What we keep in our bodies is decided by the GI tract. Also think of this, if I've got other issues, other health issues that need to be addressed, my hormones are out of whack, my blood pressure is out of whack, my blood sugars are running high, I don't detox things well, I can't fix those until I've dealt with the GI tract and I actually absorb the medicines, supplements, vitamins, and nutrients that I need to fix the other issues. So fixing the gut is of paramount importance.